Live life in tranquil colors and cozy vibes at the Edge, a student haven with all your essentials, campus closeness, and city access in spirited Lubbock. Pick from stunning 1- and 2-bedroom apartments for your own room and bathroom, stainless steel appliances, spacious walk-in closets, in-unit laundry for effortless wash days, and a balcony to watch the seasons change. Speedy Wi-Fi is included in your rent, so you're always connected. Study in the business center with free printing, work out in the fitness center, cool off in the sparkling pool, or unwind in the hot tub. On weekends, challenge friends on the sand volleyball court. Pets are welcome too. With online payments, package rooms, 24/7 emergency services, and covered parking in this controlled access space. Life's a breeze. Texas Tech University is just a sweet stroll away, while Lubbock Christian University is minutes by car. Plus, with bus stops at VA Clinic, Raiders Pass, and 2nd Street nearby, the city is easy to explore. Don't settle for less when the Edge Lubbock has it all. Book now on amberstudent.com.